Hello, I'm Sarah, the sales manager. I have been working at Suntech over 7 years, and I love my company deeply. I'm proud to say that Suntech is one of the leading designers and manufacturers in China for fabric makeup machines and material storage and handling equipments. To achieve the automation, innovation, and digitalization of textile enterprises is what we strive. By now, based on our 45 years experience, we have more than 4,000 customers and over 10,000 installations all over the world. In 2017, Suntech's sales amount reached to 70 million, 30% increasing comparing with year 2016. Asia is our biggest market, occupied 45% of total amount. European and South America is the second and third market, occupied 23% and 16% of total amount. Then is Africa, 8%, North America, 7%. Actually, Suntech's machines have been sold to more than 100 countries. In order to meet the increasing demand of the global textile industry, now we have 2 big factories in Ningbo, sales office in Hangzhou, and branch office in Hong Kong. In 2018, we are ready to build up the overseas technician service station in India and Mexico for timely after-sales service. We keep improving ourselves to be the international first-line brand and contributing to Made in China.